Morning. Make sure you sleep comfortable last night into this morning and don't wake up yawning. Make sure you bed a phone one. Yes, man. Don't come out here come own people things. And you know, little picnic. Leave that to little picnic and people where just grow up in a life and have get no chance to own nothing. But morning, make sure you sleep comfortable and don't wake up yawning. So Marcia Salmon's 99. Wanna know here? Lord Jesus. Marcia Salmon's Donna. Call her to the front of the line. Marcia says she hear Donna. Somebody call her. She didn't even hear. Somebody call her and tell her say Donna over there drop word upon her. Marcia no do no due diligence and go find out whether she would have drop on or not she would have drop on. But whatever been said, where she said Donna say, I want to know if she is the only person that no live nowhere. And that me want to know. If she's the only person in America when no own nowhere and live nowhere and have nothing. That every time Donna come out here and she speak, as she Donna talk. Anyway, she come out here full speed ahead, addressing Donna. And she never stop from talk, she never mince for words. And then, after that, she get down in a lower tone of voice, a different segment, where she started to talk about the whole Perry situation. Because everybody a take a bite at it, you know. Yes, man, everybody a take a bite at it. And how Donna use up people charity money for put her selfish portion there because of no fear money. And she a worry about Donna green card she want to see it. And she want to know how Donna not have no ambition because you left Jamaica come a foreign and get green card and you just want to run go back to Jamaica. So wait. You have citizenship of America and we not see where the citizenship benefit you. But Donna have green card where she never even really wanted, but circumstances. She see it fit in herself to be in Jamaica. It is not illegal for her to be in Jamaica. She is not overstaying no time to say okay, she might lose her green card. But what happened? You are worrying about what Chumpy doing. You're not worried about him for yourself, so you can't lose your citizenship. You're not worried. Anyway, you don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Please go over there and give it a subscription, you know. And also follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Plus, I am asking you to support my merch. Go over on the website charmsandtrend.shop. Anything you see over there, you can get it customized into a Speak My Mind merch. And as I'm saying, Mother's Day is coming up. Please to make me be a part of who you shop with. Buy one of my 30 ounce or 40 ounce cups that made from stainless steel, quality stainless steel, not the one you put the water in it and left it all overnight, and when you get up tomorrow morning you see it start rust. Quality for reasonable prices. You buy one of those stainless steel cup for mommy, put mommy picture on it and her name, customize it for her. You can buy her a teacup. They come with angle, they come without angle. You choose what you want. Them come in different shapes and colors. You choose what you want. The good thing to shop with Charms and Trends, you get the privilege to choose what you want. Customize. So just drop in the DM for further information. Send your information, send mommy picture so we can get it and make your order early. Remember, time now wait for nobody. The month starts sometime this week or early next week. And Mother's Day they're around the corner. And customize, you don't know, I don't like it, make and put on. We have to go deal with it, so we need time for you can get it early. Alright? And we don't want to blame no lateness on the UPS. So please, me ask you to come over and support me. Alright? Please and thanks. Me I beg you even, if I have 10 out of how much thousand, just run over on the website and order a tumbler, which is the same cup or whatever you want to call it. It keep hot and cold beverage at good temperature for a while. You understand? It carry a straw, a cover. You remove the straw, you just draw a little latch on the top of the cover and you lock up. And you're good to go. You can't leave your yard with ice in that from in the morning. Especially living in Jamaica, because they not talk about foreign, might cooler, one might say, okay, to live a foreign cold temperature, it's cooler. Jamaica, you left your yard with it, with ice in night this morning, and when you left work 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, ice still in night. That's how good them are. So reach out, and we have other things on the website. We have bracelets, we have phone cases, you can get customized, even a picture upon it. You know, we have a lot of things over there. So just go over there, charmsandtrend.shop. You can find the page, on the business page on Instagram. Also, charmed_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see, you get it customized. Remember, my t-shirts are over there. Speak My Mind t-shirt, Life is a Mission t-shirt. You get any one of the slang. So easy. Up like age, one nation, do anything you want on it. And if you don't want any of the slang and you want your name somewhere along the line, you can get it also at no extra cost. Alright? So just check we out. Anything customized. Charmsandtrend.shop. Anyway, people, make a drop in the video. Marcia coming out with a hearsay. She do we go check, you know. And she come out and she speak her mind. But sometimes them don't really hear nothing, you know. I see them see, but them don't want it look like them a follow Donna and watch Donna. But we already know that they are watching. Alright? So them can't fool me.
Good morning, members only. Donna, this message is for you. I may have strength for and other people. Somebody just called me while ago and say over your page and drop one for me.
Alright, Donna, and me have strength for. That is when you talk to somebody and say, you and me always want to take set pan. But at the same time, you are going to say that. And I going to say, and other people. That simply means that you alone she have strength for. But you make it look as if you alone she have strength for. Whether you she talk or not, you know. But at the same time, you contradict what you say, Donna and me have strength for. And other people. When you're going to say somebody has strength for you, is tell them, say, you don't have no strength for nobody else, but you have it for me alone. But at the same time, you will say that, you say she have it also for other people. So I don't understand you.
You say me I talk about.
You alone live America and live nowhere.
It's always going to hurt. First of all, me's a woman of God.
Wow.
And you don't got a church like me. I mean, no one scammer and a thief when me say one. Me know.
So you going to church make you being a Christian or a woman of God? You know what, people don't get up and go to church as often like you. And holy. I mean, always say this. You say anybody where you say get up, me don't know about nobody else. This is my belief. Anybody where you say get up as hands by them, mighty God, Jesus Christ, and as every little thing do them, no matter what it is, them ball out Jesus Christ's name. Look out for them. Dangerous people them. They want to use the name of the Almighty to shield themselves. Them a corruption. What me say? Me don't want to call certain word because YouTube is so sensitive. But them a corruption. Alright.
When me see it, and you are a scammer and a thief when it comes to taking charity money that does not belong to you. Me not say you can't take some, but you take too much for yourself and build up yourself. Me I go address my part. Me hear it as some way over here, we don't have nowhere to live. Donna, let me make it clear to you.
Yeah, she said Donna say. Yeah, she hear said Donna. She hear say. Cause as she say, somebody call her and tell her say Donna drop out on her. So that's all the person say, and you know what Donna say. Anyway, she said Donna say. She hear said Donna say. Some we over here no live nowhere. And she know as she Donna talk. Some. What's the meaning of some? more than one. Is it that so? So how you are gonna say that and at the same time I say you know are you the woman attack? The thing is now, you can't come on to homeless and not live nowhere and all them something there and stagnant. You're going to take offense to it, you know. Because them say the truth hurt. Who can't take it off a splurt? You understand? Or tear off your blouse and skirt. The truth hurt. Who can't take it off a splurt? Run left your skirt. The truth hurt. Yes, man. So whenever time you hear them argument here, you must have to pick it up. Listen, Donna now work or she work a week. Listen to the capper.
Live in a prestigious residential area in America, and you live in a ghetto. My money when me work is a honest, hard working money. Yes, you have a little business where you sell a little pudding, but all of the money where you spend and build up yourself, it is not yours. I mean, I have to go over it. Donna?
But you live in a prestigious residential area and you are afraid to expose where you live. Where you live is so prestigious and it's residential and you afraid to expose where you is. You can't show your surrounding. You're not proud of showing your surrounding. Is it that you're restricted because it's not your place you live? And Donna is so proud that she can stay up on her ghetto side and balcony side and whatever you want to say. And can view Mountain View and view her place because she's so proud of her place. And she live in the dungeon. She live on the gully side like myself. And she proud for sure. And you will live in a your prestigious apartment or building and residential area. Can't show? Hey.
Have somewhere to live.
If I saw me, I'm going to live on a restraint, me no want to live.
Tell you straight up.
I then make
You
place
can
there.
chat until tomorrow morning. I make more money than you on a weekly basis. Me nah ask you if it in American dollars and in Jamaican dollars. You cannot speak to me, Donna. So if me want to buy a house and me want to put a roof over my head according to you, what are you trying to say?
What Marcia is doing in our life at this stage that we can even assume that she's making money. More than just doing a home care job, getting a standard pay. Come out here, putting it out here like, oh, she's not just a normal home care worker. She has, oh, probably she ride off Max Dicky. Oh, yes, probably. Probably she are doing that type of update to Max. Where Dicky is concerned. So Max provider pay for it. Remember now, she's just a normal home care worker. Just like many of you where the home care, so you know and know what the standard pay is like. Yes, you might buck up on a boss, so love you know and love a job you do and go a little tip on it. But how much is the tip? That you can come out here and brag against somebody who operate multiple small businesses, because we don't going to say big or large businesses, multiple small businesses that turn over money on a weekly, sometimes daily basic, monthly basic. You are going to say you earn more than them for a week. Okay, let's say this. 4 weeks into a month, you earn 50,000 this week. Donna only earn 20. You earn 20 next week. Donna only earn 5. But at the end of the month, you know, when you calculate how much Donna make, you know, she make more than you know. So you only make more on given weeks. That no mean you make more than her. But me even gone too far. As me just say, any money where you say you are make is not from home care. Because you get standard, probably a little tip. The only thing else you cannot do, unless you performs act on Mr. Max. And I ride Mr. Max dicky. You understand? And a lollipop it out, make your love talk about suck and all kind of something. So I must that you get extra money for. Cause what's so special about you and what you are doing? Eh? That you get 5 times what you're supposed to get. And now when you get 5 times what you're supposed to get, you can't earn. Cause if Donna not bake for 6 months, when the next 6 months start and she start bake, she earn far more than you where you work for the whole year. The 6 where she not bake plus the 6 where she bake. So come on and stop talk foolishness in people head out here. Alright? And we not talk about the woman endorsement deals and any other little thing where she have out there. Make us stick to what we know is a seasonal thing for her. Who you man? Come off of social media and stop make them boo you man.
Donna, you can't chat to me. You're broke and you're guilty.
You have a right because she ain't gonna chat to you.
I use an embarrassment to charity. I mean, I care what you want to say. You're full of stress. That's why you go to Jamaica, you left America, you claim say you have green card. Workless, you're workless. I don't have no ambition. And you left, you get a paper for America and left and gone back to Jamaica and sit down in a veranda and up on top of ghetto, mountain top and look over. And say you have green card America and you say you're 50 years old. When you still could have come America said we come do something. You're no businesswoman. You own the name the one lady owner.
So, Donna has a green card, you as a citizenship. Where's the example that you have set? Donna just come American at just under a year. You have been there for 40 years. And you are trying to teach somebody how to fish. When you in the fish or the pan with the fish and you ever know how to catch one? Eh? How the hell you gonna come teach me after you're in a pan of fish for how much years and you don't even know how to catch one of the fish? But me will just come under a year. You are gonna teach me how to fish? You is a licensed fisherman. And me is a non-licensed fisherman. And you don't know how to fish and you have license for how much years. Cause you have green, you don't have green card, no, you have citizenship. She does have green card. And you gotta talk. People, make a find one video there. Hold on there. Alright people, I buck up on this video from the other day. And you know, I want to do a video or a fight on the other channel. But I just can't get the time. I planned to do it yesterday and I not do it. And I said I'm going to do it today. And I say I still not do it. I might do it tomorrow. We probably can get a full clipping so all of you see that video here. This woman talking about she end up migrating from Jamaica. Right? And this woman living in America. I want to listen to this woman because Marcia go on like say America is a bed of rose. This minute you come and go on like America is a bed of rose, and the next minute when time the kind flip on phone side, you say America is not a bed of rose, America hard, America this, but at the same time when you don't want it to look good, you say America is bed of rose. And if America bed of rose and you never make it during the time when the economy it was far better in America, when America was great. It's now that America want to be great again. You are trying to make it. People wanna listen to this woman. I'm make you listener. See her there?
Andrew Oldness wicked and him go put $1,000 on the minimum wage and thing like that. We know that enough money like little bit over 100 US. That is no money.
But she make a mistake there so with the calculation.
Right? We know no money. You understand? But me now, me live in America, right?
Yes, I'm gonna give her a little piece,
and me a struggle, me a suffer like dog.
Listen,
It's a country where me come and work the hardest. So me there Jamaica, me work hard, you know. But me say yesterday you come, you work the hardest in a life. Me not tell you work like a slave and still can't see your way. You understand? You still can't
rent
see your way
and
because
bills.
the US dollar have more value at Jamaica.
Rent
but
and
$1
bills.
is just $1. You understand me? I say, so if you have $5,000 and things you have money and money that maybe like 1-2 months rent you have this to sit down with. You understand me? I say? You're there friend, you can't hardly save me, you can't hardly save. Me I work $2,400 a month. My rent a $1,550 a month. Plus, I have to pay $2.95 for the fee for pay my rent online on the website that them want to use. You understand what I say? We have to pay trash money. We have to pay money for them pick up with trash and all these things in the apartment complex. You understand what I say? It's rough. You understand me ear want do, me ear terrible, me ear not bad state, and me cannot do me ear. Ear for doing America is very expensive. If we get me ear braid right now, I want $200 me a look pan. Where me I'll get $200 from for do me ear? If we take $200 for go do me ear now, and me bills money me a short up.
Alright people, and she have a lot more to say. The woman actually break down in doing this video. So, if 99 they are Jamaica having a business where she are run getting endorsement deal and she are comfortable, why would she want to go America now? Cause start, just as me say, me not run left my little where me have here. Figure America figure start all over. Me can pay my bills, things hard yes at Jamaica, but then again going to foreign it going even harder because remember now you go there and have nothing, you catch up with family and friends, them can treat you anyhow, put you out. You understand me I say to you? You have to go start all over again. As the woman say, you have to work 3 jobs to make ends meet and all these things. In a Jamaica, you can owe a landlord 1 month rent and everything good, 2 month rent sometime and things good. People that owe 6 months, that can't go on a foreign. Based on what me understand. So this woman I try to show you say it's not easy, but Marcia now feel like said Donna we not really need foreign now at fair stage of life. Should I have green card and come a foreign, come sit down and work. Cause that them want to see now, Donna come and work for people. How can you have a boss and work for boss? Eh? A boss when you have to work for boss and work for boss. Can you do a boss and work for boss, you know? But in a Donna state you know, Donna come a foreign come work for low income. Eh? When fair business them a turn over more and that. And that you want to see she come to work for people at foreign? Come on for people phone scream yeah.
I say you're a green card America and you say you're 50 years old. When you still could have come America said we come do something.
You never set no way she should do it, so she don't know.
You own the name the one lady owner. And what else you have coming in? When you're not hiding.
That if you find out. And that you don't want to find out the woman income. And that's how we're you know, the woman money and Donna's money. Donna's money and Donna money are we're only do an access to it.
You are a very dishonest person and then you can't walk in my shoes no time.
You have a right.
Go learn to buy a good boot, put by your foot.
So I talk about all the woman green dress now.
You look like a ginger toast.
You see you shall talk about the green dress further now.
A potato leaf. We are growing a field. Move yourself.
Marcia, you when me cuss about for your toe so often you come in like some wild renter yam where I grow a riverside between rock. You can't come out here come cuss nobody about toe, Marcia. Marcia, I'm mostly your chest area and your face you're showing on social media. You hardly show your lower body. Now and again, you might show your lower body by chance. What do you when you try to mag the shoes them at your party, you show your foot, and to your foot just don't have a little Q-tex, it hide. You told them. You told them favor renter yam. We grow between rockside and riverside. You can't come tell Donna say fear told them favor ginger. You'd have to go tell your friend Tina that. So Uno can't take things that people that take a cuss Uno, a cuss other people when Uno is at fault. Donna sure told them regular. You are most of the time you do your foot, all you do is show say your foot in the water. You not show you told them with the Q-tex come off and all them something there. You understand? Cause everything depend your body have to under makeup to look good. You understand? Everything upon your body have to under makeup to look good. So you can't come talk about nobody too. Leave that alone. Lord, look what all somebody work this and stagnant and non-ambitious. All of the above, you know, we are signed to see in each other, Donna.
And then I have the hard
So how you gonna say she not have no ambition? If she do all of this and you gonna say she not have no ambition, and you will not do none at all after 42 years in America, and you have your money as according to what you say, and you come out here and give praises to people things, I own people things. Look at you. What we fi call you? You a said woman not have no ambition. She non-ambitious. She this, she that. But here all the line of things where you say she do with charity money. Whether charity money or fair money, you hear the amount of things where you say she do. That is an ambitious person. That is an ambitious person. And she have never been scandal. She have never been arrested for none of the above what you talk about. So make it make sense. Who this? You. You. Because the woman when you are called outless, non-ambitious. Listen how you talk. You give her praises to all what she do, but at the same time what you try to do is say the picture where you are painting a charity money do it, but at the same time it only show you how ambitious she is. Because if me are working at one company, I want a little loophole in the company where me can get out to a little half chucker sitting. And me I come from nothing where me have to sleep on people's step. And me use that when me make. And build one little foul cube where me can sleep in one side and the chicken them sleep on the other side. What that spell? Ambition. That spell ambition. You understand? Luck come in all different type of parcel. It not come in a black parcel special or white or red or blue. It come in all different sort of parcel. So when your luck come, it's how you take your luck and what you do with your luck, what you get, make you ambitious. You understand? Unlike you, there is so many luck come your way as where you come out, you come praise God for what happened to you over the December last year to now where make you comfortable and nice in yourself, in your head. But up to now we can't see your comfortableness, we can't see nothing to talk about it and say okay, yes, this affair, yes, we see, yes, nothing we cannot see up till today. All we can hear you talk about what people have, what people own, what people give you the privilege to access. You understand? You are the one who is non-ambitious. You are not ambition.
You can sleep at night and you can sleep peacefully. You cannot go on with the business, Donna. I don't care what you want to say. Bye. But learn to wear good shoes. Skittle girl. Dishonest thieving girl. God give you something to do. And we do. Thief God. That's why 6 years later, you have to go back to Cropsies. The amount of money will come in your hand. You should have a big charity bringing millions of dollars. But guess what now? Your charity broke down. You have to go back to regular Mr. Perry, Kwame, and go back to square one. Move from here, so your favor. Part 2.
You don't even know what your chat say. Because I want to feel to understand. The woman having a 6-year anniversary. The woman is a content creator. So thinking of having a 6-year anniversary and thinking of being the founder for our Good Deeds program, being a content creator, she choose to go around and visit back some of these people. She might not visit everybody, some of them pass and gone, but she choose to go visit back some of these people. At the same time, creating her content. Wanna make it look as if she run come to Jamaica because she broke. See there she can't stay a foreign because she can't abide no money. Yeah, so she have to go to Jamaica because I must think foreign at US are like Jamaica. So she have to go back down there go do it. That's what now make it look like, you know. It's a 6-year anniversary the woman I may have, and because of she's a content creator, she used the opportunity to go and visit back some of these people, places that she and her Planka Nation assisted in either build or refurbish.
Careless girl. Broke
Are you careless? Because I never hear of no man breed Donna in no club.
I wish part me rent.
Whenever you have Donna walk and take up Madman to Dicky.
Very nice.
And you can't show it.
Me happy and
Me live nowhere comfortable. If me not live nowhere comfortable, I me sure that much just living somewhere comfortable.
I mind the whole of people of Jamaica. Go and look at work and go establish your own money. You don't have nothing to come in.
I Donna shut up still.
Here, so.
Hold on the people. Did she change and call somebody else's name when she said Donna figure look at work? I know Donna she attack. She changed the subject and called somebody else's name. Okay. Anyway, we can get to the next part of the video. Where all Donna dressed, the green dress of Donna where she started criticize. She beat down the dress, then she lift up the dress. She beat down Donna in the dress, then she lift up Donna in the dress. Me don't know. I wanna listen.
We expect justice. Yes, my dear. We
Nah,
expect
she
justice.
dongo bongo. But you
And
two
then
up the
we
woman
talk
crap
about
about
justice must split.
chill. They want to that.
Facebook too biased.
Donna never tell me say I'll be a dear thing she wear and go catch her or buy
Facebook
something
is
for
too biased, and we
$20.
expect justice over here.
Donna
Me
talk
go on
about the
social media,
most
me a browse
cheap
through.
things that she wear more than some of
I
them.
miss the 99 and one velvet green frock. I miss the Jabongo or somebody put out it. And then go search for it and see so she pay $19 per sheen.
Listen now, look,
So them
listen
put out
now.
it.
She look company.
So, if it was me now,
She look company people.
they would have scandal all over the place and I pay $19. Just like when they go scandal me jumpsuit and I pay on Amazon for $62 and go look for it. And see say me wear 19, say me pay for $19. When me have my receipts and me pay $62 for it. Not only that too. If it was me who wear one slippers with me little two them all who out in the corner, I run for them life.
No run no toe joke with
They
nobody
would
man.
have
Come on.
dragged it all over social
Cause
media.
you not show your
put
toe
it
them.
on
No run no joke.
TikTok and all over the place. So how is it that now 99 wear the dress there? And not only that, she have on her slippers with her little toe them can't fit in the slippers. And if it was me, whether the woman there Portland and the rest of bloggers them, how them would have.
You know the reason why? If so be the case, 99 be herself. 99 don't come out here to be anybody else but herself. So if 99 go up the road in a one dress and she walk off and it tear, it's going to be nothing to nobody on social media. It might be something to Uno because Uno are haters. But supporters of her, neutral person see it, it's going to be nothing Uno are. But like you, we come out here and make it look like you're so perfect in everything. You come out here. Why do you come out here after do the surgery? You claim to say the doctor tell you say cause you always being the best at everything. You always being the first. You know, the doctor tell you say after coming out of the surgery, you are the first somebody him sick. Come out of the anesthesia so quick and fast and active. So you probably the first or the second somebody the doctor look after him say that. And how quicker you can come out of it than nobody else. Me not know, cause it's supposed to stay in you for a certain time. But you know, you always want to be the best at everything. So because of how you portray yourself out here, the simplest thing you do, people are going to take it and make a big things out of it. Donna, somebody will come out here come tell you how she shop cheap. What she see and like is not the price for it, is what she like. Just like the dress, you ever say a $19 feet if she couldn't buy a dearer dress even $60. Post Newman said this just and like it. It wasn't about the price because she not feel for pay for the dress. It's what she like. You understand? So you make it look like it's because of the price why she buy it. No, Donna never refuse or tell nobody says she not shop on Shein and she not buy cheap things. So whether Shein she buy it off her Bleen or Teen or Zine, it no look no weird if I did even $5 feet. Because we all know she do weird things like that. Unlike you, we pretend like everything that you wear it's designer made or it's very expensive. So when people find out say you know one little cheap something, them are gonna expose you and you'll come out and come say a different something this, a different something that. Where?
Drag me in a social media. Then what good for the goose, not good for the gander. What good for the goose? Oh, me not here gonna have it all over social media.
Me just tell you
Oh,
why.
me not wanna have it all over social media.
Donna be
On a
herself.
serious note, I drag her foot all over. We come out of the slippers.
Me see Donna put on
So
all
it's only
$300
me
blouse
alone.
and people ask her
Gonna
if I should buy it and she
straight
tell
from.
them. You would have probably
I
tell them
want
say,
you with me in a body
I
can't
Italy
drag
buy
my
it.
shoes out of come in and wear cheap shoes. Me wear boot, we highlight my foot. And shoes that make me look nice.
Or live in your boot. Or lie down in your boot.
And yes, she does look nice in the frock. And one of the best frock me see her in a long time will fit her.
Where?
It look like
She have put her down in the dress, you know. Even though she said she have go back and put her down again in the dress, you know, but she have put her up. What she have
But
said?
that the best looking one me see. But that the slippers they never go with it. The bag never go with it. You can't wear a green bag with green shirt with green clothes. And you can't wear
Shower labor right. She don't want another color.
with the frock there.
She gonna tell us say shower labor right. She don't want another color. Where? You can't tell nobody for
I
here.
wanna come out here and cuss me. So you go buy Sheena, you got wedding. You couldn't buy one better frock,
That's it.
$168
She
frock.
start put down the woman again after she just a talk about the dress. And compliment the woman on the dress, you know.
But nevertheless, you know, look bad at the frock. But the frock, if you frock
You're
now,
confused.
the frock fit you, but you don't
You're
belong nothing to you.
confused.
Because the green bag we have and don't go with it. You better have on one silver bag and one silver shoes. You better you go up a Bridget go buy one slippers and put on one of Bridget slippers them.
But make Master teach you how to dress, Donna.
Slippers don't go with that shop and velvet dress.
Master say if you come and she teach you how to dress. Yeah? So if you come and she teach you how to
you go
dress.
into wedding in Jamaica and you have on that day green velvet looking frock. So you go tell me say, what happened to the beautiful dress them we used to advertise if you want fluffy clothes and it's and
From what you're asking about asking that question, you're talking about Curve by Tina. What if the contract expired? Curve by Tina feel like okay, she don't need Donna anymore. Curve by Tina feel like she can't afford to pay Donna anymore. Or Donna don't have the time anymore to advertise for her anymore or whatsoever. What that have to do with you? If them fall out, what that have to do with you? Because that's you try to find out, you know. Because you said Curve by Tina you suggest Donna. Which part Curve by Tina you suggest Donna? More than when new stuff come, she will send a couple pieces come get Donna. And Donna Magli, people see it like it. Where you get a Curve by Tina, man? Yeah. Promotion. What you mean a Curve by Tina just Donna? Some more feel like you want to ask a question where the contract they there. Because this is not the first time you ask that. And as we know, Curve by Tina never used to dress Donna. More than when she get new pieces as an ambassador, she send them come to make Donna muggle them so the Planketeers and people can see it and get interested and want it to buy. And that's how our business used to flourish. And that's what you did want when the time you go rent the place over Portmore Pines. But you rent the place with some regular stuff, nothing unusual. No cure cheap or simple them would have be. There wasn't unusual. All the stuff that was into your Portmore Pines store, the same plaza where the churchman them give back the money. You understand? It was common things. They right of people foot. Why them go left come a Portmore Pines to come buy that? Why a man go stay a foreign and send somebody, a family member to go support you and buy sitting where they right of him foot and even the same family member foot where him go send come to purchase it. You never have nothing out of the way. You never have nothing what is extraordinary people that see a piece and like it or a pieces and like it or something and like it. Irish Spring. This. Door, bathroom mat, floor mat, sheet, red. Look at cheap cologne, some little shoes where it come like you buy them on sale and throw them down because them they sell cheap. Nothing you never have to say boy. So because you never get that with Curve by Tina get, I must make you a question now. I pay Curve by Tina, pay for your one here. You did not get your one free.
What happened to them look a floral dress like what I have on? With the sheer flowing something. How you never put on one of them there? How you end up frock. I bet you if it was me.
Rock what she does a compliment the woman about here or tear her down in it.
How you put on that the slippers there? You know, sister, you two come out there. Them the slip, you must wear those shoes because your foot is broad out
Teach
in
her
the
how
front.
to dress, Marcia, because you can't dress yourself.
Your foot is broad. If it was me.
Because when it comes to the occasion, them you have
If
to
it
draw
was
the
me,
occasion
and it's
clothes.
true I'm talking,
You turn idiot.
the people
And the
when I
everyday
ask you,
clothes,
if
them
it
alone
was
you
me,
can't dress up in.
when
The
them
cheap
done
everyday
draw up
clothes.
them the ginger to them, when them done scatter me all over TikTok, and all over the page and talk about me and drag me down. You
I'm
understand?
glad you
But
admit
how
say you
them
told
do,
them
you
ugly
see,
though.
you see how them bias out here?
I'm glad you admit say you told them
You
ugly.
can't wear green bag with green clothes.
So you're not supposed to know two arguments with nobody.
No, so you can't, you need to take a page out of my book. You
Okay.
need to take a page out of my book.
So that you want. You want people to follow you and dress. And when your occasion them come up, your dressing is weak. Is a regular yard dressing them and driving up and down because you don't live nowhere, you know. And them dressing that alone, we can say, well, okay. But when it comes to the occasion, you don't know nothing about occasional dressing. Recently, I 3 occasional dressing me see you do. And you don't look able at all. When you like yard clothes and with cheap yard clothes and you drive up and down, you know, with a face mask, goggles and ear, you look better than those occasions. Your party occasion, you come on a funeral one day, that occasion, I think I see one before that. So you can't teach somebody how to dress, master. You just feel like you're good at it, but you're not. You're good at turning a little fashion, but you're not good at dressing overall itself. You do good at creating a little fashion by tying piece of cloth, so or you know, yes, I put on one little earring, so yeah, you're good at that to a certain level, but you're not good overall in dressing. So to make it look like say you have that lock, you don't have that lock. So clock that.
A silver, go with that. Silver
You
or
want people
gold.
just like you. Everybody have their
You
own
can't wear
taste
green
towards
bag
things.
with green dress.
You can't tell me how to dress to show you like this. If it's just like you.
You understand? Them the hair there, you need a little bit more highlight. You need a 1B33. Something sharp to catch you right on your shoulder. You see, them the long hair catch you like a Rapunzel. Them don't go with the frock. You need a updo hairstyle because your face round. When you wear a dress like that, you need a ponytail. That's what you need. You need a bun. You need a ponytail. You need to open a one. Take one stack, get one 360 wig. And comb it up in a one with some baby hair and pin it up off of your face. It will highlight your cheek.
Oh God! Oh God!
So next time you're going out for the summer, me give you a yes, me know you eat like a pie, so I'm gonna let you know. If you want to look more better, then the color they don't feel. Those colors is not yours, and you know look bad in a dress. The dress fit you good. And one of the best looking frock me see in a long time. That little cheap frock. Better you wear that like event. But try come up here in a one. Get one wig we go all the way around and blow it on, and put it in a one bun. You understand? Put up in a one bun and wear one silver bag and one gold bag. And that if you wear one little bag where you can hold your hand, not this strap over shoulder. Them the days there, you wear them certain places. You hold one little bag like a clutch bag when you go into places like that. And that's what you do. Them long, you cannot wear the same hair than we wear every day for your show. I have them a wear out in events.
Hold on. Handbrake. Where just a while ago? Donna can't wear the same ear them where she a wear upon her show at daytime and wear them go out. Alright, I could stick up it. A multiple ear Donna have. I will say multiple, but I mean quality ear Donna have. You understand? Multiple quality ear Donna have. So you mean she can't wear the same ear where she wear upon her show good. Remember the synthetic wig Donna have, you know? Most of Donna ear, well, she might have a few, but not much, because we never really see her that much. 95% of Donna ear, if not 98% of Donna ear are human ear. 30 at 40 at 1,000, 20 at 1,000. But that's not what me really want to adjust right here. So, if it's somebody who just teach Donna how to dress and so forth, I want Donna to dress like you going to say Donna can't wear the same ear that she wear upon her show go out. So all these ears that you have, what we already see, day in, day out, over and over, when you're going out, we are seeing that same hair. Even the one that you're washing at 2 weeks, the white one, the little curly white one, some part of it cock up sometime, you have like it have a little part in the middle here, so. In 2 weeks you wash that hair, because what do you remember say you wash it and you fix it up and see there it curly again and look good again. I mean, I remember which part you go. I don't remember where you go, and it's like you say draw the smell and you go wash it again. How much time you wear that goat, Marcia? Marcia, how much time you wear that goat, Marcia? The only goddamn wig you might have when you wear goat regular. And as I say, I must say the second time you put it on, another orange wig the way you put on over there. But every one of your wig, them you and Tina come like the same thing, you distress them. Every one of your wig, them you distress them, and them same one you wear go out. So what you say? What you say, man? What you say? Could you too? So all these sporting, when you sport from what you not go out and go on like you're brav. All of those wigs are new wigs. Are the same all with them when you drive up and down every day and sleep in your car, you know. Same and throw down all about in your car and froze you up and think up.
You. And that is what I'm saying to the people. If it was me, when them done drag me with the toe, with the little toe, them I hang out of the slippers. Eh? Me I tell you. For the shoes, for wear a dress there, me give you a 1. For the dress, I give you a 7. I give you a 7.
We don't want no ratings here, man. No ratings we don't want from
And
you.
for Easter, I give you 2.
No ratings.
You never look bad in there. But for Easter, that for Easter.
Come tell woman about Mr. Perry, you know. Come. Mr. Perry time.
I represent
Perry say you and Tina, everything to say you say and everything you say no what do.
Welcome to the company where it's advertised. What the company name?
Curves by Tina. Curves by Tina. She lose the contract. Curve by Tina fire, she lose the contract. That's why she broke. Because she now have no more contract. That's why she broke.
And let me tell you something. I told them there.
Sit down and wait, man. Sit down and wait for that woman you don't fall, yeah? You go and sorry the day.
When she was wearing clothes for that plus size company in Jamaica, the Curvy by Tina, she look better. Don't she look better when she about? When Curvy by Tina in a dresser? Yep. You have to know what you do. Your face, put up one ponytail up in the ear. Put up one ponytail. Put up one ponytail. Put up one little bone. Get one wig and make them carry all the way around. That is it. Drop one nice drop earring. With some little dangling. As them the years when they are wearing a pearl. And put up here now and I take the hair and wrap it round. You have this long hair by your shoulder like Rapunzel, pull me up. Like Jack and the Beanstalk.
Master, may I ask a question?
That is it.
Me know you're jealous. And you're very jealous of Donna. Me know that. What me want to know? All the ear them do man wear, you're jealous of her? Master, know everything where you like, somebody else I go like. I know everything else that fit you, I go fit somebody else. The dressing where you are crave for and feel like say you are one of the best in dressing and putting yourself together. There is people out there who are just far better than you, 10, 20 times better than you. So it's not like you are the best dresser in the world. Everybody have them own liking. Everybody try to stay comfortable in their own skin. Why you want somebody to become comfortable in your skin? Because you are try comfortable in our next man's skin? Stay comfortable in your skin and make that man stay comfortable in a female's skin. But because you like to be in a next man's skin to feel comfortable, you want everybody to do the same. What fit you and what you want wear not fit everybody else. So you come and tell the woman what ear. Do you know what ear you put on when not ready for you? But you put it on. And if nobody tell you say it not fit you, you have to say a lie, you have to tell it fit you. And you go around the corner, you come back and tell you say 50 somebody just tell you around this so say it fit you. When not even one somebody they even see you and say aye. Because that's all you stay. You want to always feel like the best. So you tell all these lies off camera just to feel like the best. Because none of these things that you come out here and take praises for, say people say this to you, people tell you this, they never luckily can catch on camera. They never luckily catch on camera. All these things, man, I call to you. A 3 man I see you one time and I call to you and like you off. And woman see you and tell you how you're pretty. Oh, I'm pretty. I'm so pretty. Woman tell you say them like your face, them like your ear. Oh, I like your hair. Your hair is so straight when your eye lean. But them never catch, no, you never catch nothing upon camera yet. You always want to come talk without evidence. You're afraid of the same thing.
People, I want to search for dress. Remember, you know, she rich, you know, she know wear cheapness.
Lie, you are tell, don't do that.
Just remember that.
Don't do that. Don't do that to suit yourself and suit your content and your people them will watch you. Don't do that. Because right this up, this only show you how to embarrass yourself and go on all the while and make people have things to say because you're a liar. This woman come out here how many times and talk about cheap clothes that she wear and cheap clothes that she have on. I mean I talk about back in the days when she tell you how she got a rare grung. This woman come out and tell us she go all a rare grung. What uno now go do? Because uno now member on the past, but uno now come share on the past, you know. Because uno feel embarrassed about on the past, you know. Uno come here come talk about the little light uno see. Uno now talk about when uno have to use bucket torch and 3-4 and have to lock up in the house and the smoke go open on the nose and uno wake a morning time and go so. A beer black come out on the nose. Uno now go talk that, but when uno have little light I show, oh, I have psychedelic light. Oh, I have sensor light. Oh, so why you never come tell about the bucket torch you used to black up in your nose one? I know Donna that. Bucket torch used to black up her nose, she come tell you. And she even tell you before she even starts the light. Nobody's supposed to be ashamed of them past. None. Especially you live in condition where you grew up come see. Remember you never grew up with your hand full of money when you come out to your mother. You don't know where you come to the world come see. What is there for you. What the benefit, what your grandparents or your mother or family left for you or have out there for you. You come into the world with nothing. And it's not all of we come into the world fortunate. It's not all of we come into the world at the same time, God bless we. Sometimes some of we get blessing all upon we sick bed. Sometimes long after we turn adult, we get a blessing. But it's how you use your blessing. You understand? And like you, we claim say you get your blessing in a December gone, November, December gone, and the same attitude and lifestyle where you did live before, when you have 1 shilling a run for you and the charity where you get from winter and all the rest of people, them will sponsor you certain things and pay off for your trip money or whatsoever. You understand? And you get back like a blessing now and the same lifestyle you live. Unlike you. But uno now come out here come talk about the past because uno not proud of the past. You know, so I feel like you go through some trauma. And you never come out here come talk about it. I feel like when you're younger, you were molested. And you go through a trauma. And you never come out here come share that on your platform with your people them. Never ever. And those are things that you can come out here come share. So younger people who are sick and I listen, because remember now you have more people tuning into social media than anything else. Young people. Them can know what to be aware of, what to look out for, signs of certain things. You understand? To take away themselves. Those are things that you can come out here come black about. but you don't make it look so because you don't want to expose your past. You make it look like so, oh, you were this young girl, good girl from, you know, Church of God, home, child of God. And your adopted mommy just took you to America. It wasn't just like that. It was more behind it. But you know, come out here, come tell your past. So when Donna come out here, come talk her past and tell her past, uno see one and take it use against her. If she never talk, uno couldn't know. And because uno not proud of uno past. It's not your past, it's where you is now presently. Remember that. That show your growth and your ambition where you have in a life to be ambitious.
Yes. Then again too.
Go for Mr. Perry
I
now.
already make a statement long time.
Go for Mr. Perry now.
Drag me. Look on her dirty foot. Look on her toe them. No, they don't. No. You roll too long on social media for 6 years. Fear watch me and I watch other people. You need to get better with your fashion statement. You need to buy shoes that fits you. If you can't walk in a spike heel boot, go get some wedge. And Klein, Calvin Klein, and Tommy Hilfiger. They sell some nice wedge. You need it to wear wedge to
That's not the first person that can wear high heel, you know.
Selling Macy's department.
One heap of woman can wear it. Some still forced to wear
You
it.
must can manage them.
But not every woman can wear it.
If you
And
can't
high
manage
heel boot no good phone.
they do have some beautiful
Remember
wedge.
that.
Me see them.
You love talk about. You love talk about doctor and doctor tell you this and doctor tell you that. So oh you never one day come out here come say doctor tell you say high heel boot no good for you. You know why? Because you is a lover of high heel boot. So you don't want to come out here come say anything negative about high heel boot. But ask your doctor. Especially a woman of your age now, them the boot they not good for you. None at all, but at your age now, high heel boot not good for you. But you never yet one day come out here come talk about that because what? You are a lover of high heel boot. And everybody can walk in a high heel boot.
Them there for wear. And if you hide them the ginger toe the way you have. No, them the toe they scatter all over the place. In the slippers there. No sir. Me, I wanna come on social media. Love it draw up close. So who never me could never joke that. Me could never go past Shein go say for a cost $19. Go past Shein and say me I see. But no. But nothing wrong with Shein clothes.
Alright, look at this now. Your friend Fungus Bongo. She posts it. Look if you see it, I go viral in this diaspora. No. You know the reason why? It's not because Donna has been loved by most people over this diaspora. But the main reason why, this is nothing new. For you to post to say Donna wear Shein clothes. That's one. Two, Donna never come out here come tell you say she no wear cheap clothes. You understand? So it's going to be nothing at all when she posts this. But if I did you, everybody can run it because of your behavior towards life, like you're better than doing certain things and you're better than people. And when people find out and find evidence where you come out here, come make it look like the dress, like just like the dress that she come out about Italian designer. An Italian designer and the people them go find the dress must say 60 was at what? $80 $90 and she wait till the dress drop on sale because everything she want on sale. She wait till the dress drop on sale for must say $50 something or $60 something. Where?
But me I say when you come a brag and a boast and a discriminate me, me not take no credit. Anything you see me now, you can go look it up. You understand? But me I say, fear is fear.
You never know back then so the people should have a look up your dress. I know you know that.
No matter who the celebrity is, if you don't see them go fashion wrong statement, dash them out like one of them.
That's not one of the celebrity when no matter.
Come and dash
Donna wear anything will look good to she and please she. She no matter price. Donna want a celebrity when no matter price. She don't want to see the sitting and like it.
So when I come home dash me up, but no love for look for clothes. I mean, never come up here and tell no say me when me go buy my things them, me buy my things them, but me know if I buy them, me buy them right. So that is it. Then
she buy them right. So what she try to tell us, you know, when uno come out here with things that show the price, uno go look for the cheap one them, but at the dear one she buy. Uno go look for the knockoff, and that she say, you know, when she try to tell about, oh, when me buy my things them, me know me buy them and me buy them right. So uno can't go and go look for them and show about the price. Tell she tell us say the knockoff one them uno and show about the one where she wear are the genuine and original. This is why the people them have to expose you. Because he's a pretender. Donna know I will just come out and tell us, at $20 I pay feet, at $30 I pay feet. I oversheen me buy it for $15. You not going to do that. You're not going to do that, and that's why the people them expose you. When them expose you, everybody take on to it.
when I was passing by YouTube and
Perry time, Perry.
you know, something puzzled me, and this is on a serious note. And it's going right back to you, Donna. And this is very serious. You have your advocates them come on social media on a daily basis and comparing me that I'm stagnant, I'm this and that, and Harsted co-fat, and I'm this and that. And I'm saying to you, you get the opportunity to build a charity in Jamaica. Your charity could have been so much established in Jamaica if you just register it.
You didn't get opportunity
to
to
lead you in the right direction. You could be helping thousands of people. You could be having a
You
formal
didn't get the same opportunity to
organization.
when you own people, charity and organization.
You could be in that position where you were even bigger than Shaggy with charity. People could be coming to your event. But you allow yourself to be greedy and dishonest. And to look back to where you're coming from with millions of dollars. You're one of the poor people in Jamaica who have got the opportunity to be very lucky to come across millions of dollars in cash. Cash. Not hire purchase, cash. And in 2025, 6 years later, you have nothing to show for it more than your house and your stuff them that you build out to yourself. And to see the fact that you have to go back to square one.
What is square one?
What you people have to say about that? That this woman had a very successful charity where she had millions of dollars.
What is square one?
Tax-free money. Tax-free money with coming on. And this woman squandered it and give these people unfinished house, patch up house. Did not spend properly and end up with square.
I wish unfinished and patch up house.
She have to go
I wish
back,
unfinished house.
drawing back for the old recipient them where she should have passed those people. And
I
then she
wish
gone
unfinished
back
house
on
Donna
the
do me no
first
know.
and then she said she get green card and come America and gone back to Jamaica and walk up and down and paint and clean house. Then Donna, you worthless.
No, you owe this car. You never set no example for Donna follow. 42 years of citizen you is, and you don't set no example. So what should you come do with your green card? Jamaica a better life here.
Come show me a green card, Donna. Cause you don't get green card. Me want to see you come pass out. Me want to see you come show me a green card. Because you could have never in a God creation get green card in America and go to Jamaica, walk up and down the sun at a paint to the house. With the same charity people them. The same recipient them.
You need to come show your green card, because you could have never have green card and live in America. So free, too much years. I live like a scumming
So
on.
you tell me now, on a serious note, oh that look good, that no look pretty good, Donna. That look embarrassing and that looks sickening. Because these people don't want no help. I saw a picture of Mr. Perry. Mr. Perry look damn good. Mr. Perry look better than you. Mr. Perry look better
Wow.
than everybody around.
Where's that? You
Mr.
come
Perry
from
look like
foreign.
somebody with travel to foreign.
Are you come from foreign?
Mr. Perry
Hey.
look young. He don't look like he need no farmer help. Talk to people. You know, me see the man sit down on a wall today. The man don't look like him, man. The man don't look like he live a foreign. And you look like say you don't get the foreign. Mr. Perry look good. That the man don't look like he want concerned, how is it that Mr. Perry looks so good and Mr. Perry will stay like that? Something wrong. Something is definitely wrong. I
You know, a lot of questions to ask
but I was
though.
wondering, how comes there is so much cleaning up?
How comes that Planka Nation business worry on so? You know, have a lot of questions. A lot of questions to ask. You see Mr. Perry on wall, but you know, watch Donna. And at the same time, just before you say, yeah, pass and see Tina talk something, but you don't know, but you go say what you say. But oh, you see him on wall. Oh, you see him on wall.
In the house them. And where is the furniture them?
We take them out and we take them back off a camera.
Cover up an empty house, me see a paint.
Yeah, we take them back.
That don't look like nobody living at the episode house, eh? That look like say you fix up that the house if you rent it out.
Yeah, we put out the Perry them and give somebody.
That don't look like somebody live in that house.
We take back the house off camera.
That man look damn good. That the man look like him and name some good food. Mr. Perry look rich. Look how that the man take care of himself. Truth is truth. I look at him, I pass Ben and see the man sit up on the wall. And me say that the man look like him, that the man look like a smile liver foreign. That the man look like him suffering. That man look rotted. Good and me tell people talk the truth. Me talk truth over here to them business who want chat. So, hence when I start look like the house. That man do not live in that house. That man would look different. That man don't live in.
So I fix Donna use Mr. Perry now, cause I'm not living at the house, so Donna use Mr. Perry now to fix up the house, rent it out. And that you try put out there. Cause you say him not living at the house, him couldn't live in at the house. So what you try put out there? Cause you Donna say she has scam already, you know. And she has teeth. So what you try say now? She use Mr. Perry to get donation to fix up the house. Oh, to rent it out. Okay.
That house no
Come like up. I don't hear your own one. The 5 bedroom you own a country. I don't know Mr. Perry live.
Come back to Jamaica, your American green card. So you know, come up and pay Uncle Sam local taxes. I benefit and save.
Over the years when you never pay none, you did consider? As a city, you did consider?
Then what you expect to do? Come up and spend 1 or 2-3 months and run back down and go back down? Then that's what you expect to live? Then I saw you special. If you come back and get green card and go back and forth like your dignitary.
You're more than special. Because you get citizenship and stop pay tax.
Because you could have never have green card and jump in a power with them the rules and regulation there.
And that's a bone you. And that's a bone you. Because you say she can't come here, you know. And better say she can't come here. So that's a bone you.
I rent one little Noah bus. I go feed the people all over the place.
And that's a bone you. Because you say she can't come here.
But you go back and draw for old fashion, for old people, that don't look good. You should have invested those charity money. When you come and say to yourself, go get a license, register your business,
Any
where you
people,
can get tax-free money.
bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. We come to the end of another video. On know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me up on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And please to run over to the website and make a purchase. May I be giving 10 over here out of how much 1,000. Just run over to the website and make a purchase who can afford it and buy something for mama. Buy a 30 ounce or a 40 ounce cup which is made of stainless steel, quality goods. Request it customized by putting mommy face on it, mommy picture upon it and her name. Yeah, and just put it in a mommy Mother's Day basket and tell yourself, say yes, you support Charms and Trend. Speak my mind merge. T-shirts are over there, caps are over there, and we have other things over there. Just go on the website and check it out. Charmsandtrend.shop. Bless upon yourself and peace out.